Welcome. In this tutorial, we write a JavaScript program that performs binary search using recursion. Binary search is a fundamental algorithm that splits the search range repeatedly until it finds the target. We'll see how recursion makes this process elegant and intuitive. Let's start by understanding the problem. We are given a sorted array and a target value to find. Binary search works by splitting the array in half and choosing the correct side to search next. This repeats until we find the target value or determine it is not present. Let's look at the JavaScript code that makes this work. We extend the array prototype with a method called brSearch. First, we find the middle element. If the target matches the middle, we return the index. Otherwise, we search either the right or left half, depending on the target's value. This process repeats until the target is found. Binary search divides the array in half each time. If the target is bigger than the middle, we search for the right half. If it is smaller, we search the left half. This process repeats, halving the problem each time until we find the target. Let's walk through the example with the target 5. We first check 3. Since 5 is greater, we search the right half. The right half is 3, 4, 5 and 6. The middle being 5, which matches our target. We then return the index of 5. Binary search is widely used in programming and data management. It is efficient for searching in sorted datasets, like indexes or lookups. It is also a popular interview question that tests your algorithm skills. Let's finish up with a summary. We've built a recursive binary search function to find a target in a sorted array. This approach uses divide and conquer to efficiently find the result. Try different targets and arrays to see how this search works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.